So I got this thing back in here. I'm just putting the mounts on. About to snap it all back together. Stay tuned. Okay, so I got that in there. That was unpleasant. Almost done. I just have to put the rest of this thing back together and fire it up. Okay, so the moment of truth will be, we got this thing all assembled except for the top. The moment of truth will be, will it get hot and stay hot? Inquiring minds want to know. I smell a new heating element coming on. Hopefully I don't burn my house down. All right. Oh, it's nice and hot. It's nice and hot. It's working. It's working.